What if I told you that one stretch of highway could hold the key to building your real estate empire? The I-4 corridor, stretching from Daytona Beach to Tampa through Orlando, is one of Florida's hottest investment zones. Why? Because it's packed with job growth, population expansion, and high rental demand. And in today's video, I'm breaking down exactly why this region is a goldmine for real estate investors, where the best opportunities are, and how you can capitalize on them to build long-term wealth. So if you're thinking about investing in Florida real estate, stick around. This is the information you don't want to miss. Number 1, key economic drivers of the I-4 corridor. First, let's talk about why this region is an economic powerhouse. Orlando, the tourism and tech hub. When people think of Orlando, they think of Disney and Universal, and that's true. Tourism is massive here, generating billions of dollars annually. But here's what most investors overlook. Orlando isn't just about theme parks. It's also growing in tech, healthcare, and aerospace. That means more jobs, more people moving in, and higher demand for housing. Tampa, the finance and healthcare center. Now let's head west to Tampa. Tampa has a booming finance and healthcare industry with major companies like JP Morgan and Citibank headquartered here. That brings in high-income professionals who need quality rental properties. And with Tampa's waterfront appeal and strong economy, property values continue to rise. Daytona Beach, the affordable growth market. And then we have Daytona Beach. Traditionally known for tourism and NASCAR, Daytona is now attracting retirees and remote workers looking for affordable living. New developments and lower property prices make this a great entry point for investors who want long-term appreciation. These three cities, connected by I-4, create one of the most dynamic real estate markets in Florida, and smart investors are taking full advantage. Number 2, population growth and rental demand. All right, let's talk numbers, because numbers don't lie. Florida welcomes over 1,000 new residents every single day, many of whom settle along the I-4 corridor. Orlando's metro area is projected to grow by 1.5 million people in the next decade. Tampa ranks as one of the fastest-growing cities in the U.S., with rising demand for both single-family and multifamily rentals. Daytona Beach offers some of the last affordable coastal properties in Florida. So, what does this mean for investors? It means more renters. It means higher occupancy rates, and it means property values are steadily climbing. If you own rental property in these markets, chances are you're making money. Number 3, short-term versus long-term investment strategies. Now, here's a big question. Should you invest in short-term vacation rentals or long-term leases? Let's break it down. Short-term rentals, Airbnb, and vacation homes. If you're looking for high cash flow, short-term rentals might be your best bet. Orlando and Daytona Beach are prime spots for Airbnb investments thanks to the steady stream of tourists year-round. But there's a catch. Some areas have restrictions on short-term rentals, so always check local laws before you invest. Long-term rentals. Now, if you prefer stability, long-term rentals in Tampa and Orlando are great options. With their growing job markets, professionals are flocking to these cities looking for reliable housing. And Daytona Beach? It's attracting retirees and remote workers, which means steady tenants and fewer vacancies. So, here's the key. If you want quick cash flow, go short-term rentals. If you want steady, long-term appreciation, invest in traditional leasing. Or, if you're strategic, you can do both. Number 4, actionable tips for finding the best deals. All right, now that you know the potential, how do you actually find the best deals? Here are a few tips to make sure you invest wisely. Look for emerging neighborhoods. New developments and infrastructure projects signal future growth and future appreciation. Follow rental demand trends. Check rental listings in different areas to see where demand is highest. High demand means fewer vacancies and more cash flow. Watch for off-market deals. The best deals don't always hit the MLS. Network with local agents, wholesalers, and property managers to find hidden opportunities. Know the local regulations, especially for short-term rentals. Each city has different rules, and you don't want legal surprises. Bottom line, smart investing isn't just about buying property, it's about buying in the right place at the right time. So, what's the takeaway? The I-4 corridor isn't just a highway, it's a pathway to real estate success. Orlando, Tampa, and Daytona Beach are booming. Population growth is driving up demand. And whether you're in it for short-term profits or long-term wealth building, this market has huge potential for investors. But the best opportunities won't wait. So if you're serious about investing in Florida real estate, now's the time to take action. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate insights, and let me know in the comments. Which city do you think has the best investment potential? I'll see you in the next video.